Ooh, like! LaLiLu, I've got it!
What is it, bestie?
Let's make mermaids. It's gonna be so awesome!
Huntrix are the perfect makeover candidates. Hey, Rumi, wake up!
Oh, where am I? What's going on?
You're becoming mermaids!
I wonder what we'll get.
Please not cardboard, please!
I don't care, as long as it's quick.
I knew it, cardboard! Rumi, let's go, you're first!
Oh, yes! Oh, so exciting.
Can I get a seashell?
The Golden Makeover Checklist.
Hairstyle, makeup, crown. Right, let's start with the tail. I actually have one.
Perfect, hand it over. I place the template and trace it. Carefully cutting it out. We need 2 identical pieces.
I brought thread.
Ooh, pure gold? I grab a needle and hand stitch the halves together. Done. Time to turn it inside out. Rumi, try it on.
Something's missing. Remember the fin?
But what should we make it from?
I've got an idea, a 3D pen.
You're a genius, thanks. Let's draw. I trace the outline from the sketch. I coat it with clear polish, then add gold leaf on top. Now it needs to be attached.
Sounds like a job for Lolly. With a brush. Fabulous fin is ready.
Perfect. Let's attach it. Done.
Wow, amazing!
And this is your future top. Yep, got it. The latest underwater trend.
So cool. Let's decorate the top with chains. Secure them. Necklace goes on the neck.
Still feels like something's missing. Hold on, I need ideas from TikTok.
Hey, Lolly. She's stuck now. Let me take another look. I know, a belt right here. Gold, of course. Delicate side fins. I think it looks great.
I found tons of cool hacks. Oh, you already did everything.
Hey, you can still add something.
But why?
I really want to see what you found.
Fine, it's obvious. A gold sparkle goes here. Hey, it's not working. How do you do it? LaLiLu, it won't stick.
Try gold glue. Add a tiny drop. Now press it right here.
Got it. Done. What do you think?
Perfect, thank you.
Wait, I've got another idea. Oops, bringing it.
Lolly, hello? What is that?
Golden trim for the tail. Glue a heart right here. How do you like your new tail?
Perfect.
A stunning mermaid. Gold suits Rumi so well.
I want to make more tails. Let's run to Mira.
Where's Lolly? Mira, I'm here, and Lolly…
Phew, I could really use something cold.
Voila, look how cool that tail moves. It just needs a fin. We need materials.
Awesome, I'll be the best fisher. LaLiLu, look, I did it!
Great, I knew you would. Hand it over. Watch this cool hot glue trick. Adding paint to it. Pink and a little purple. Silver shimmer. Mixing everything well with a brush. Now take a wire frame and dip it in. Wow, real magic! The shape is perfect. I'll add pearl powder for shine. I made 3 big fins and 2 small ones. Twisting the ends together. Now just attach it.
Oh my gosh, now we need a top.
Slightly bending the petal to shape it. Attaching details to the doll. Pearly ocean decorations. Ooh, it's so flexible. Mira is such a cutie. Pink suits her perfectly. Look at that cosmetic sparkle on the fin. I love it too.
You look absolutely stunning.
Thanks, Lolly.
Whoa, what's glowing over there? Treasure, here I come. Oh, Zoey, hi! Ready for your makeover? Let's see what we'll craft first.
And it's a tail again.
Yay, love it! We need measurements.
Okay, a little more. And right here.
I memorized everything. Draw the pattern now. Line here. Now marking, connecting, and this side. That wasn't easy.
Lolly, you did amazing. Let's divide it into pieces.
Wait, what's this?
What do you mean, patterns? You drew them yourself.
No. Let's decorate with rhinestones.
No, Lolly, that won't work.
But why?
Cardboard theme, remember?
Okay. At least colored paper, please.
Let me see. Yep, that works. Laying it out. Oh, what are these piranhas? I'll pick these scissors. They have a scale pattern blade. Cutting the pieces. Perfect fit. Snap, and again. Great. Applying glue and sealing the edges. Assembling the tail piece by piece. Piercing through with skewers. Cutting off the excess. Gluing the tips. Cardboard fin.
Yay, the tail is ready. I'll bring it to Zoey. Express delivery. How do we attach it? She has legs.
Don't worry, I've got it. Take the doll. These pants aren't needed. Hey, who drew on her legs? Lolly, naughty, naughty.
It's body art.
You little troublemaker. It's fine, the tail will cover it anyway. Let's secure it. Swoosh, super duper.
I cut strips for decoration. Oops. Ah!
Gotcha.
I actually love the cardboard style.
What are you up to?
Oh, nothing much, just watching TikToks.
Did you see that?
Where? Oh, that's Rumi. Swim over here. Where are you heading?
I'm swimming to a concert.
Wait, we're not done with your look yet.
Right, where's our checklist? Here it is, 3 items still left.
Oh, so much to do, so much to do. Sit right here, no time to waste. We've got hair, makeup, crown. Let's start with makeup. Our stylish vanity. Where's all the makeup?
What are we supposed to use?
I'll order it now. Eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, got it. What time is it?
Take a look.
The courier should already be here.
And here comes the Turtle Express.
Now I see why it took so long. Thanks, buddy. All right, this goes here. Don't move, you're in professional hands. Hold on, eyeliner, more sparkle, no rushing. Voila!
So, is it pretty?
Something's missing. Right, I forgot lipstick. Carefully. Now that's beautiful.
What's next on the list?
Makeup's done. Now the hairstyle.
Got it. I'll need a golden comb. Smooth out the flyaways. Freshen up Rumi's braid.
Look what I've got.
Ooh, hand it over. A luxurious gold cord. Wrapping it around the hairstyle. Adding gemstones. Wow, that's real elegance.
Yeah, it turned out great.
Check it off.
Yes, only the crown left. Will gold wire work?
That's perfect. Cutting off a piece. Where should I place the base?
Here, a royal cushion. What's next?
Next, zip ties.
Seriously? LaLiLu, but they're not gold.
Easy fix. Coating them with acrylic, just like this. Now attaching them to the base. Much better.
Wow, that's cool.
Don't you think we should add something?
I know. We're underwater after all.
Oh wow, they're so big and spiky. How do we attach them?
LaLiLu, you're such a scaredy cat.
All right, I've got it. This will work better.
Agreed, looks cute.
See? Attaching them to the crown, decorating with chains.
We need to add glitter.
Wow.
Done.
You're amazing as always, Lolly. Time to put it on the doll. Rumi is a true sea queen. Hey, check out the look. Let's see. Oh, the gold style is definitely mine. Lolly, is that you?
Time to work on your friends. Mira, are you having trouble?
It's so windy, my hair keeps getting in my face. I need a different hairstyle.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Let's brush it out. Your hair is so beautiful. LaLiLu, your turn now.
Thanks for the help. Separating the side strands and braiding them. Gently pulling the hair to add volume. Twisting the braid and decorating it with a shell. Now wrapping it with the second braid. Okay, we need to figure something out for the bangs.
I decided I'm gonna be the most famous hairstylist in the world. Time to practice.
Okay, then I'll curl the hair with a flat iron. Nice, such bouncy curls.
Wow, that looks amazing. But something's still off. Let me think. I got it. can I borrow this?
Hey, Lolly, that's my bracelet.
Accessories are everything. It's life or death. There, perfect. A real tiara.
Wow, Mira looks dazzling.
Oh, my glitter.
The Wheel of Fortune for Zoey. We got hairstyle.
That's exactly what I planned. All right, we need something unusual.
I'm ready for anything. Shall we start?
Let's do a dramatic makeover. LaLiLu. Blonde? No, that's not what I expected. Let's try again.
Cute.
No, redo. LaLiLu. Where is my hair? Something didn't go as planned.
Stay calm, girls. We'll fix everything. I'll need craft paper and scissors. Cutting it into thin strips. That's it.
Wow, what do we need that for?
You'll see. Gluing the strands.
I'll help. I can't see anything. Let's trim the bangs. Just like in 5th grade.
Oh, that turned out so cute. But to make it more comfortable for Zoey, I'll roll the hair and twist it into buns.
Kinda basic, right? Huh? I saw something online. Quilling paper.
Great idea, Lolly. Let's unpack it. Grab some black strips. Just a few pieces.
Done. Oh, now accessories. Awesome, the hairstyle is ready. Now we just need,
Hold on.
right, makeup.
A final step.
I know what we need.
Oh, cardboard makeup.
Yep, and what's that?
A shaped hole punch. Look, you take paper, press it, and it makes a stencil.
Wow, what's it for?
Let me show you. Place it and stamp the paint.
Done. My head is still buzzing. What a life hack. Now me. Just a little more right here. Ocean makeup. Wow.
See, I told you, you can make anything out of cardboard. Rumi and Mira are already here. Girls, we're style icons. Huntrix turned into stunning mermaids. What amazing looks.
Bye-bye.